See this Z in Mackenzie? That is a fake Z. This is another fantastic example of a Z worming its way into the spelling of a surname when actually it was originally a yoch, a letter that no longer exists in our modern alphabet. So how did we get here? Well, it starts with Gaelic. As you may know already, Mac, in Gaelic, means son, as it also does in Irish. And that's where any surname with Mick or Mac comes from. For example, McCallum, son of Callum. But how does that work with Mackenzie? Son of Kenzie? Not quite. Mackenzie comes to us from Mac Cynnych, which translates to son of Cynnych or Savurla Kenneth. When early Scots writers attempted to then print Mac Cynnych and preserve its pronunciation, they used a yoch in the middle because that letter best represented the y sound that you get in Gaelic. But over time, some printers started using a z instead of the yoch when it was unavailable, and the spelling of Mac Cynnych eventually became Mackenzie. This, of course, is far from the only example of random z's popping up in the middle of Scots names or places. Fingen, Mingus, DL, and as I learned recently, Tringen are among dozens of others. It's just fun to look at, and fun to say. Mahausa smúnichu go bhfuil ciall Gaelic ice horgo anam no ach rigianu in ahurus.